gosh, it's. Oh no, woodpecker's coming for me again.
Really?
Oh my god. See? It was coming right down at me. Why are they so aggressive? Ay, ay, ay. There's this hairy woodpecker over on the mountain camera right now, and he just came for me. They're very aggressive birds. He just came to peck me. Boy, I do not like those woodpeckers. I love the birds, but I'd rather keep my distance from that one. Oh god. Oh god, here comes again. Ah! See? Ugh! I hate you. You saw that, right? Oh my god. Ugh! Oh my god, you guys, it came for me again. He's gone now. Oh!